Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you guys all depends your time. So guys, get what? Today we are going to prepare for 100 people, okay? I used to cook all the time, but I was just wonder today, why I have to show this my friends, my family, also my supporters, also what I'm doing in living, guys. First of all, if you don't know me, I love to cook a lot, okay? I can cook for whole of my city. Where I say I can cook. But it depends, okay? If I have the, if I wake up and I feel like do that, definitely I'm going to cook, okay? So guys, we have occasion in my church, okay? We have a end of the year Thanksgiving, which is December. So sorry that this video gets late, that I'm just posting this video today. I'm so sorry for that. I apologize. So usually I used to cook for my church. I used to cook for people also. Maybe you have a occasion, you have a birthday, you have a wedding. Also, I'm a party planner. If you don't know, I can plan your party and give you the best decoration, cake, cooking, everything. Where I say I'm all weather, I'm what weather. That is always some people ask me, what do you bring in the table? You stay at home Monday to Sunday and you are not doing nothing. What do you bring in table? I was just like, hey, I'm the table. Me by myself, I'm the table. Full table. Like, hey, I'm the table that, I don't sure that my husband going to lack anything. So guys, join me and let's cook. First of all, I come for supermarket to make some shopping for the cooking, get some ingredients, get for everything that I need for the cooking, okay? Then I will be going house and starting cutting my chicken, and also I'll be install my hair, okay? Which is I'm not going to show you guys where I'll be install the hair because I don't want today's video get long, okay? I try to avoid that. So guys, I'm back and let's cut the chicken. So after we finish cutting the chicken, then I'll be prepare the chicken. Oh my God, this knife, I don't know. Somebody help me. So I'll be cutting the kitchen, prepare the kitchen, and then I'll be cooking it and fry it also, okay, for next day. Okay, today is Saturday, and I'll be cooking the rice tomorrow and in the morning, which is Sunday and in the morning. I'll be wake up 3 o'clock so that I can be meet up for my time to church. So let's start. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know, and please don't forget to support your guy. So guys, I'll be back end of this video. Just relax and watch how I do that. Mother of 4 children, see cooking for public. Do you think that is grace? It's grace. So guys, hurry.
Hey, these 3 niggas here, B-Mitch, Frank Stickums, and Turf Talk. Finna let y'all know what they come from. You heard? From the bottom, the grit, the grind, nigga, leave 'em running, white flags waving.
Make decisions based on hunger pain. Watch me bring the storm just like thunder rain. Always feeling able, but can call me Kane. Try to live righteous, but some people change. Hard to stay focused when your vision blurry. Yeah, we all got a past, I'm trying to keep my berry. They tell me moving fast, need it in a hurry. I told them watch their ass and then I did them dirty. I take position with my chest out. Down that cold, lonely road, took the dark route. Might smother it, but never put the spark out. Like the fire in my eyes when it's dark out. I'm about to start now, dressing down in all black. Ball bat wrapped in wire like Nene back.
Meanie, miny,
Loud pack blazing. It's an art the way I painted my blood, so you pages.
So guys, I'll be stop here. Then I'll be continue the cooking tomorrow morning. After brain this, I have to go to yeah. I decided just grind all my tomatoes, my peppers, everything.
Next day
So
morning.
this is a nice day. Your guys wake. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But anyway, let's just continue where we stopped yesterday. So, good morning, good morning, good morning from each. So let's start. And guys, I'll be preparing the sauce, then washing my rice inside, and you know how it's work. Okay, so let's get there.
Just call it breast fluid, let's do it. The Ruger clips extended. Iron Man letting out rounds, I'm killing your inventions. The Albert Einstein's a rhyme filled with cyanide. Just for you I spies, I'm such a wise guy with it. Feeling high, eating some Popeye's chicken. I stayed alive through the wisdom that's right was yours. We come from the gutter, from way down under. Rolling up strapped like the Africans. Hotel Rwanda, now we got a white flag waving.
Loved ones. So now we treat his son like he our son. My best investment to this day was some cocaine. No friends, my circle small like a toe ring. And yeah, my mama on welfare to put food in the house. I really live that life these niggas rap about. They mix some heroin and powder to play with they know. I sell a rock to your mama if she ready to smoke. The police finna jack me, put the pack up. They on my ass like 6 wheels on the dually truck. Bitch, don't say a word when you walk, look down. Don't talk when I talk, bitch, shut your mouth. I ain't gon' give a nigga a gun and tell him to shoot. I'ma hop my ass in the car and shoot with him too. You don't gotta ask partner, that's what real niggas do. And you don't gotta tell it so, this between me and you.
We come from the gutter, from way down under. Rolling up strapped like the Africans. Hotel Rwanda, now we got a white flag waving. Yeah, we got a white flag waving. No surrender, no retreat. Now we got a white flag waving. Now we got a white flag waving. And now we got a white flag waving. No surrender, no retreat. No surrender, no retreat.
I'm like a diamond, shining like a star. My lips taste like lemon, my eyes like a gun. They shoot down to your heart. My body, your desire, but it is too far. You grow like a lion, you want to buy my love, but it is not for sale. Oh God, my love, a little flower, my love soars higher when I think of the man of my dreams. My love, a little flower, my love soars higher. I will wait for you forever to be with you. I'm like a diamond, shining like a star. My lips taste like lemon, my eyes like a gun. They shoot down to your heart. My body, your desire, but it is too far. You grow like a lion, you want to buy my love, but it is not for sale. Oh God, my love, a little flower, my love soars higher when I think of the man of my dreams.
So guys, I'm done for cooking, so get ready with me and let's go to church and let me show you how my look like. I'm so tired. So this is how I look. Oh my god, this is today's outfit. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. So bye for now.
Oh girl, you got me going psycho. Oh I know, 네 보였던